Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about class declaration in Java, part of programming in Java course. In Java, a class declaration defines a new class and includes the class name, its fields, methods, and constructors. The basic syntax for declaring a class is as follows. Modifiers are keywords that specify the access level and other properties of the class, such as public or private. Class is a keyword that indicates that a class is being declared. Class name is the name of the class, which should begin with a capital letter by convention. Here is an example of a class declaration. In this example, the class dog is declared as public, which means that it can be accessed from anywhere in the program. The class has three fields: breed, age, and color. It also has a constructor with three parameters and two methods, bark and run. It is worth mentioning that a class can also have static fields and methods. These fields and methods are shared by all instances of a class. And also, you can use the abstract and final keywords to create an abstract class or a final class. In summary, a class declaration in Java defines a new class and includes the class name, its fields, methods, and constructors. The basic syntax for declaring a class includes class keyword, the class name, and the class body enclosed in curly braces. The class body contains fields, methods, and constructors that define the state and behavior of the class. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.